Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire up some alternating flashing lights and what you need to buy to make that work. So this would be for if you're wanting to build like a tow truck, or in my case, it's going to be some chase lights. So what you need to get is a dual output alternating flashing module, and I'll put a link in the description. So this is more for a car, but this will actually work because it goes down to 4.5 volts and all the way up to 30 volts. So this will run off the receiver power, or you can run it off your battery power up to 6S. And you can adjust how much you want it to flash on each side. And it's pretty easy to wire up. I'll show you how. So first I'll show you what I have. These are all individual LEDs. And these go to this light bar. So I believe these are the white ones, and these are the orange ones. So as my receiver, I'm just going to use this with a servo tester just as battery power. So I can plug these in. Alright, so right now it's just solid LEDs, and if I were to install them, it would just be a solid LED light bar. And what I want to have is them alternate. So I'm going to pair the two orange with these two white, and then they're going to alternate between these like that. So that's what I want to do, and I'll have to cut these apart, resolder them, and then I can pair, because I need to have the two white with the two orange, and I'll remake these harnesses to work for that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut these off, and I'm going to redo these connections. Same thing on the other one. Alright, and I'll put two white with the two orange, just like that. So let me get all these wires stripped. Okay, so for now I'm just going to go ahead and connect all these together. Okay, and all of the black wires are going to go together. So for now I'm just going to connect these just to make sure this all works properly. Then your positive coming in is going to go from the receiver or your battery. And that's going to be your voltage plus right here, battery plus. That's your negative, and then there's out 1 and out 2 for positive. So I'm going to bring those two over there. And this will be the first set. Then the second set. So I'm going to make sure everything's apart before I plug this in. Okay, all of my wires are apart. Let's do a little test, and it should alternate between the two sides. Okay, so it looks like that's working right. And these are adjustable as well. So if I want this side to be faster, let's see. I can adjust this side down. So you can also do like a 15-second delay. So like one side will be a lot longer and then this side will be real quick. So it's pretty nice how you can adjust it like that. So you can adjust it quite a bit. You do have to adjust them evenly, so one side's not flashing longer than the other. So probably about right there is where I would want them. Yeah, that's basically how you're going to wire it. I'm going to go ahead and solder all this up. Not like this, I'm going to solder it better. And I'll show you exactly how it is to where you can just plug this into your receiver and this will automatically do this every time. So right now, as soon as you turn your RC on or have this plugged in, it will just automatically start going right away. And there's other modules you can buy. If you want to have a switch on with the transmitter, there's other switches you can buy. I'll put a link to those in the description as well. But for me, I just want these on as soon as my RC is on. So I'm going to go ahead and take this back apart and solder this all up, and I'll show you. So I have all of these soldered up together. I have my input from the receiver, and then all of the grounds go together. The input from the receiver goes to these grounds as well. So they always have the negative on there. Then I have the 2 sets of positives for each side of the flashing lights. And let's go ahead and plug this in. Alright, so I have it separated like that. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put these in. And LEDs just slip into these. And these just go in here like this. So I have them on just because I want to make sure I'm putting them in the right spot. And I think they go the other way because these slip out too easy. Yeah, that was way better. Alright, so there we go. I think that looks pretty good. And I'm going to have this as a chase light. So that's going to be it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.